we're standing here at the end of line of what was S and X and will now be Optimus.
Right.
So next time you come back and stand in this place full of robots.
Yeah, I guess we'll be maybe handing over some of the first Optimus.
Handing over the first Optimus right here, yeah.
Yeah. Well, Optimus will just hand itself over, I guess.
There you go, yeah.
When I was thinking about Elon, if you look at Fremont factory, right, we built the most number of cars in any automotive factory for last 4 years in a row. I think sometime probably end of next year, we'll be building the most number of bots ever built on the Western Hemisphere of the world, you know. So definitely it's going to be exciting, amazing, abundance future. So.
Fremont's always been that way for us. It's always been like the first to kind of build a product and get it out there and scale. And it's going to do the same thing with Optimus. We see some of the lines here that we're actually building at our automation groups in Germany and Toronto and the Midwest. Like these are real pictures. They are coming. It is coming very, very soon.
Yeah, I mean, Optimus is going to be. I mean, my prediction is Optimus will be the biggest product ever of any kind. So, we're making way for Optimus. We're making way for Optimus and sunsetting S and X for something very big. Like I said, biggest product ever, which will be Optimus.
Yeah, S and X are super great products, and we're just making room for an even greater product, which is going to be pretty amazing.
Yeah, I mean, people are probably wondering, hey, well, why are you sunsetting this incredible product?
It's like, we got a better one.
What's wrong with you? Type of thing. Well, the reason is that the future is very much autonomous. So Model S and X have had an incredible run, but all good things must come to an end. And I do think the value of used S and X's will be very high in the future. But the future is very much autonomous. The future, it's going to be fairly unusual for people to drive themselves around. And over time, I think the vast majority of cars will not have a steering wheel or pedals.
Right.
And driving a car will be kind of like, riding a horse today, which is like people do ride horses, of course, but usually not to work.
Yeah, in a way, S and X, we pioneered designing, engineering, and manufacturing the electric vehicle. We pioneered that. Those cars did that, and now we're pioneering, designing, engineering the best robots. So we're just continuing that idea into the world of autonomy.